sauce is great.
Phenomenal.
It's excellent.
Phenomenal.
The more you eat, the hotter it gets.
Okay.
Spicy is a lifestyle. Really good.
So it starts right off with the flavor.
I mean, the heat comes.
And the heat comes a tad bit later.
It's sweet at first, and then you eat the heat settle.
Okay, so both you guys like jalapenos, right?
Yes.
Okay, and you can enjoy an jalapeno.
Yes.
Okay, if you can enjoy a jalapeno, check this out. A jalapeno is 5,000 to 8,000 Scoville heat units. Look, you don't even need to understand what Scoville heat units is to understand that. Just understand that it's 5,000, right? Let's get that part in there. Okay, so you understand it's 5,000. Well, a habanero is 350,000, depending on how it's grown. So let's just say it was only just 250 or 300,000 compared to a jalapeno at 5,000.
It's a big difference.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, a ghost pepper couldn't range anywhere from 750, 900,000, 900,000.
Okay.
And that top of the scale, that Carolina Reaper,
2,200,000 Scoville heat units. So, and possibly up to 2.5 million Scoville heat units. I've eaten a nice quarter of a Carolina Reaper before. I don't regret it, but I ain't gonna just run up on it and keep doing it.
Did your lips burn?
Did my lips burn? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, my lips was burning. I was thinking the whole time, like, why did I do this?
How long did it take for you to get your sensation back?
Oh my God. It was probably around 8 minutes, but it seemed like 8 days. Like it was just one of those unbearable situations for me at that time.
Yeah.
It was kind of like running up on a bear with a butterfly net, like, got you. And then it didn't work out like I thought. Try the Aji Limon. It wasn't that hot. It did okay. How did you describe that?
Sweet. Sweet, and then the heat just was there. It was a mild backdrop.
Came in late.
Mild, subtle, it was present.
Okay, now check this out. You guys are about to try this ghost pepper chicken. It was made with our ghost pepper sauce. So, I want you guys to check this out. It was barbecued with our ghost pepper sauce. Okay, now you asked the question about this milk.
Yeah, is it true? So if it's too hot, should I drink water or milk?
Actually, water would help, but a lot of people make the mistake, or just in my opinion, a lot of people make the mistake of drinking the water. I've done that and only resulted in more cramps because I still ingested and digested the heat, the capsaicin, the oils of the pepper.
This is good. I want to eat some more. I'm ready.
Try this out.
Ready?
Okay, so the home resident cook has prepared the chicken as promised. And like I said, guys, it's covered with ghost pepper. Let me know what you guys think.
All right. Hitting right here.
Yes, this is. So it's a flavor that's really good, and it comes on a little bit later as well.
And it hits you in the back of the throat.
Yes.
Let's try it in the sauce.
I was on to something here.
The sauce magnifies the heat. Yes. The sauce takes it up 2 notches.
But the sauce is really good.
It's
really good.
You guys have been enjoying the chicken So far, how has that been with just cover it in the ghost pepper sauce? How was that?
That ghost pepper sauce is great.
Phenomenal.
It's excellent.
Phenomenal.
The more you eat, the hotter it gets.
Okay, and you guys normally don't eat anything more than a jalapeno, right?
That's about as far.
Okay, now this time you have our chocolate ghost pepper hot sauce.
Oh.
I would suggest maybe just try a little bit at a time and go from there.
So that you don't have to wait for the heat. It comes right on. There's no delay. As soon as you taste it, it's automatic hit you.
You say chocolate?
It's really, yeah, you have to just get a tad here and there. Because that comes on immediately. There's no delay with that. You don't have to wait to get crept up on with that. It's automatically, as soon as you touch it, yeah, it gets you as soon as you touch it.
It's different.
Well, it's a heat, it's a hotter taste immediately.
It tastes like fire.
Yeah.
Milk.
You guys are handling it pretty well. Now check this out. It has no chocolate whatsoever in it. What it is it's made up of what they call chocolate peppers. They're brown peppers.
Oh, okay. Well,
And I actually roasted them to give it that extra.
I'm using the ghost pepper to calm that down.
no, this is over the top. Chocolate.
No, this is the chocolate ghost pepper hot sauce.
Ghost pepper is way over my limit.
It's very flavorful,
It's very flavorful.
but it made my ears burn.
And it's still hitting my top tongue, top of the roof.
We're thinking about all the stuff that we can put that on.
That's a phenomenal sauce.
And then it came out my ears like fire.
The first thing you tried was the Aji Limon. So what did you think about that?
That is so nice. It's a sweet heat. It's just a nice accent to things. We had it over the vegetables and that was with the stir fry and it was really a perfect blend. The heat was an after moment for you in your taste.
Yeah, it was really good. I can't
Okay,
say it all. Yeah, she said it all.
okay. How about the Mango Habanero hot sauce? How did that do?
I really like that. I can see that on any type of seafood. I think that would really do well on there. It's tropical heat.
Okay, that was tolerable.
So no, the flavor, the flavor was good, but man, that was more heat. It was another level.
That was another level of heat.
Another level, next level.
Oh boy. Well, what about that chocolate ghost pepper hot sauce?
You got me breathing hard thinking about it.
Had a dragon moment. I felt like I had smoke coming out of my mouth, my ears. But the taste, I had to really get the taste. It makes you want more if you can tolerate more.
Yeah, I noticed that. I noticed that at first you were the one that's like, I don't really eat hot stuff, but you tried one of our hottest sauces.
I'm proud of me.
And you went back for a second one. I was like, wow, she must really like the taste, but I was wondering, like, how would you react to that heat?
It was tasty.
That heat made you go in that milk.
Yeah, it was tasty, but I've never had my ears burn when I ate, so.
It knocked me down immediately. I didn't have any chance of that. I had to surrender immediately. Just two little tastes. One, first taste, it hit me immediately. Second taste, it said, what you doing back over there? Get out of here. That was the end of it. But good flavor, good flavor.
Spicy is a lifestyle.